Welcome back to StoryTone English. This is day 17 of our daily English speaking practice series. Every day, we improve your English speaking through real stories, natural expressions, and easy speaking practice. You've already learned how to ask for help, talk about feelings, and share opinions. Today, you'll learn something very useful: how to talk about your daily routines and habits in English. Ready? Take a deep breath, smile, and let's begin today's journey together. It was 6 a.m. Rina's alarm rang loudly. Beep, beep, beep. She opened her eyes slowly and smiled. She whispered, "Good morning, new day." Rina had been trying to wake up early for a week. At first, it was difficult. She loved sleeping late. But now it was becoming a habit. She got out of bed, stretched her arms, and said, "I can do this." Then she went to the kitchen and made a cup of warm lemon water. While drinking, she looked outside the window. The world was quiet. Birds were singing and the sky was turning golden. She thought, waking up early feels peaceful. After that, Rina did 10 minutes of light exercise. She listened to English music while moving her body. Sometimes she sang along to improve her pronunciation. Then she took a quick shower, got dressed, and prepared her breakfast: toast, eggs, and milk. She liked listening to an English podcast while eating. That was her secret to learning English every morning, a mix of learning and living. At 8 a.m., she left home for her university. Her friend Anika called, "Hey Rina, you look fresh today." Rina laughed. "Thanks, I started a new morning routine." Anika said, "Wow, that's great. What time do you wake up?" Rina smiled. "At 6. It's hard, but I'm getting used to it." They both laughed as they walked together toward class. Now let's learn how to describe your daily routine in English. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I make breakfast and drink tea. I go to work or university. I study English in the evening. I cook dinner and watch TV. I read a book before going to bed. Now let's say it again, more naturally this time. Every morning I wake up early and drink a glass of water. After that, I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get ready for the day. I have breakfast, check my messages, and then go to class. In the evening, I like to study English or go for a walk. Before sleeping, I write my journal in English. Perfect. You're doing great. A. What time do you usually wake up? B. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. A. What do you do after that? B. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. A. Do you study English every day? B. Yes, I try to study at least 30 minutes a day. A. That's a good habit. B. Thank you, I'm trying to stay consistent. Now repeat the conversation with your own words. Imagine you are talking with a friend or colleague in English. Story reflection: building good habits. In the evening, Rina sat by her study table. She opened her English notebook and wrote, "My new morning routine makes me feel strong and focused." She realized that small habits create big changes. At first, she had to force herself to wake up early, but after a few days, it became natural. Now her body and mind worked together. She also noticed that her English was improving. Why? Because she was using English daily, listening, reading, and speaking a little every day. That was her secret power: consistency. Repeat these useful daily routine verbs after me. Wake up, get up, brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, make breakfast, go to work, go to class, have lunch, come home, study, relax, go to bed. Now let's use them in sentences. I wake up early every morning. I get dressed and go to university. I come home in the afternoon and relax. I study English before going to bed. Keep practicing these lines. They are your building blocks for fluent English. One day, Rina's English teacher told the class, "Learning English is like watering a plant. You can't just do it once and forget. You must do it every day." That sentence stayed in Rina's heart. Every time she felt lazy, she remembered it. She thought, even 10 minutes a day can make me grow. So she decided to speak English with herself every night. Sometimes she spoke about her day. Today I studied hard. I helped my friend. I felt happy. This small habit made her voice stronger and her mind calmer. Remember this. You don't have to practice for hours. Just practice daily. English grows with time, just like confidence. Practice challenge. Try this today. Here's your daily task. Write 5 sentences about your morning routine in English. Record your voice while reading them aloud. Listen and repeat to improve pronunciation. Example: I wake up at 7, I take a shower, I make breakfast, I study English, I go to work. Simple but powerful. Consistency beats perfection. Great job today! You learned how to talk about your daily routines and habits, one of the most important parts of English conversation. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to StoryTone English. Join our daily journey to English fluency, one story, one day, one habit at a time. Tomorrow, in day 18, we'll learn how to talk about plans and future goals in English, a perfect topic to sound more confident and natural. Keep speaking, keep growing. See you in day 18 right here on StoryTone English.